Major news in the tech industry. TSMC has discovered that some of its chips have ended up in Huawei products. According to a Bloomberg insider, a third-party client provided these chipsets for Huawei's AI servers, raising eyebrows amid ongoing tensions over U.S. export controls. This revelation comes just days after reports indicated that the U.S. Commerce Department's Bureau of Industry and Security is investigating potential violations of export regulations. TSMC emphasized its commitment to being a law-abiding company, while Huawei denied acquiring any TSMC chips since being blacklisted by the US in 2020. The identity of the third-party client remains undisclosed. Adding to the intrigue, it's unclear if this client was acting on Huawei's behalf or where they are based, but TSMC chips are indeed powering Huawei's AI development efforts. Currently, Huawei is utilizing 7nm chips from SMIC, though their ability to produce these at scale is under scrutiny by US officials. Interestingly, Huawei has also managed to stockpile TSMC-made Kirin 910 chipsets from 2019, which have been modified and used in various products since then. Stay tuned for more updates.